Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!
Hello, friends! Today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade dough. Grab a big bowl. Add 4 cups of flour. Add 1 cup of salt. Mix well with a half a cup of water. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. And mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Mix the dough a lot until it's not sticky anymore. And then add a teaspoon of oil. I'll put the ingredients in the video description. To dry for about an hour, and then mix it with a little more flour to help remove the oil from the clay. Knead. Don't stop kneading. I hope you liked it. Subscribe to the channel. Kisses, kisses, kisses. See you later.
Infantix, singing, dancing, and learning!